Oh, well, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers and Legacy Wealth Society members. And good morning, YouTube. We're back once again, Tuesday, May 19th. We're going to be executing and we're going to try printing some smoneyes today. We got to try printing some smoneyes. And the whole goal for the day is base freaking hits. That's all I'm trying to do today. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's get my chats pulled up here. It's a beautiful thing. Like a chicken wing. I don't know if that makes sense, but it sounded good to me. Let's see what we got here. What's up, Niner? Good morning, brother. Hopefully you slept well last night and you're dialed for today. I literally just rushed back to the house. I had to take my kids to school today. I'm slightly torn. Like, I'm gonna wait for some more folks to jump in here, but I'm torn on today because just looking at this, like, we're back in the 28,000s, and a lot of things can happen since we're back in the 28,000s because we were pushing up. Yeah, I left that downstairs. Unbelievable. Left my protein shake downstairs. I brought the cup up here, but I didn't bring my packet. That's wild. Locked and loaded, bro. I love that. Today's gonna be. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. They're tingling. Ask me how your bones tingle. No clue. But we should hopefully get some clean moves today, and we're going to execute on them. Let's see. What's up, Brett? Good morning, dude. Hopefully you're doing well. I learned so much. 28,000. I have no idea what that means or what it does. Well, I'm talking about the price, right? So the price, Niners, that's awesome. You guys are awesome, bro. The price, we pumped all through like mid-April, early May. We are pumping. So we jumped all the way up to 29,000 for the price. So we came back down into the 28,000. So we're at 28,847 right now. But that's the 28,000. I'm just talking about the first two numbers. If it's the 29,000, 28,000, 27,000. So that's what I'm referring to. Hey, I feel you, bro. I'm looking for the setups as well. Trying to keep the bills away. That's it. So whenever I say there's a big whole number like 28, that 29,000 is a big number, right? And we now drop below it. So I have a little feeling, depending upon, like, I know since what time was 5:30ish, the market's been consolidating, right? The market's been consolidating. I would be expecting the market to have a massive pump or a massive dump today or this week because we were consolidating since 5:30. So since we know from consolidation the move happens, I'm looking for the move. And I'm going to run downstairs. I'm going to zip on down. I got to grab my little protein powder packet, so I can mix my drink live with you guys. You guys are going to see why I be sometimes drinking in the mornings. Keyword sometimes. Let me go grab it real quick. fast today, folks. Ugh. Got my protein powder packet. I've been trying this one, Seek. Pretty good. 0 sugar. Just working for me. What's up, Rob? Good morning, sir. Oh yeah, I'm ready to trade today. We'll do it right there. Good morning, yes. Don't mind me, I did not get my breakfast this morning. Had to take my children to school and get back in time for y'all. The things I do for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even eat for you guys, okay? Man, they give you a lot. Oh, let me not do that. Yeah, I gotta get the protein shake in, bro. I don't have time to make my eggs and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, we'll do a protein shake. Oh, let's not do it. There we go. This thing is real hard to lock sometimes. Quick question. Dallas, Texas, or Columbus, Ohio? I would probably do Dallas. Personally. But that's just me. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just me. Oh, sorry, 9:26. Jesus, I'm late to the party. All right, so couple stats for the day. 21 EMA on the 2-minute charts, 866 there. Where's that VWAP? That's above us. VWAP is above us as well, 976. We have a pivot point coming up right below us here at 28,850. Oh, boys. I don't know about y'all, but your boy is excited for today. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I am liking what I'm seeing today. Ohio's the bubble of America. That's crazy. I shouldn't be laughing at that. Man, where's my market makers at? They're not in here yet. That's strange. Normally, I at least got like 4 or 5 people on this Zoom already. They must have been running around today as well. I need to clean my other shaker because I have one of those shakers that you push the button and it automatically mixes it for you. Are we going to possibly build us a little bear flag? Right here, build us a little bear flag to take us lower. All right, it's time for me. I gotta let it sit for 30 seconds. So with this protein, their instructions are you gotta shake it and let it sit for 30 seconds. So it gets all the foam and the bubbles all gone and all that. Solid protein though, solid protein. I'm not sure if any of you guys used to like drink like the bangs back in the day, like the blue Raz, everything like that. This is a blue Raz freeze. What's up, Noah? Good morning, brother. We need to make some monies. All right, today I'm waiting the first 15 minutes, believe it or not. Believe it or not, I'll be waiting the first 15. Look at that buying wick on that 5-minute candle too. So that will help me not want to trade. We got news at 10 o'clock today as well. And let me actually see what news we do have at 10. I know we have news at 10. Pending homes index, pending sales. Okay. Okay, yeah, so that should move the markets a little bit. What's up, DH? Good morning. Please how I just spit. Jesus. Oh, there's market open. Please explain consistency for Lucid. Simple. In the eval stage, you have the 50% consistency. When you get in the funded stage on the Flex account, there's no consistency. So the easiest way to get around any consistency rules with any prop firm is find a solid number you can hit each day. I call them base hits. Find that base hit and do that each and every day. And you will not have to think about, look at this rip. Oh my goodness. Woo. Crazy, 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 crazy. Oh yeah, we're going to have some action today. We're going to have some action today, boys. Hey. I have a direct and yeah, so you only traded what for 1 day? That's why it says 100. What's up, Zooted? Good morning. Yeah, if you only trade it for 1 day when you're first starting, it's going to say 100%. You have to continue trading for that to drop your consistency. Because you can't be, thanks, Brian. Oh, you owe me nothing. You owe me nothing. We're here just trying to make sure you guys are winning. And that's real. Look at this pump right now.
Winning, grinning.
Hey,
winning.
Dr. T himself's on the stream.
Yeah, I'm back. I just want to say, man, it's like my son has to go play behind the high school graduation. and then I just went to, obviously, the UCF graduation, but the Lake Granley graduation gets a little bit nutty.
That it does.
It's like, I love when they say, like, the MCs, man. It's like, Edgardo Gonzalez. And then it's like, Steve Harris. Matumbo, Cantinzo, Rocanza, the dress. And then it was like an M80 goes off. Pop, 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 pop.
Yep.
Okay. Actually, when I was at the UCF one, I was kind of like, they said the same thing, like, you know, like, don't, nothing blow up, but I was like expecting shotguns like the other ones, and then nobody did anything, so it was like pretty good.
Yeah, the UCF one, because Chan, he graduated from UCF, is so many people where it's hard for your person to hear you. Because there's so many people.
Oh yeah, because it's like Chandler Broom, Dave Snom, there's like 7 people coming through, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and they're quick with it because they got so many people graduating.
They're quick, and it's not in alphabetical order, so you're sitting there the whole time, and by the time you like blink, it's like.
Yep. So we had this massive, not massive, we won't say massive yet. We had this pump up above the VWAP, and I don't know how I feel about it. You know what I'm saying? Because we're 30 points away from hitting that 29,000.
Well, we're kind of flirting like we're coming down last night, so maybe we're going back uptown.
Yeah.
Obviously, I think everybody saw, but I did see the line item where it was like they were about to go after Iran again, settle it, and then they the Saudis and the UAE said there's like meaningful discussion, so they kind of held off on that. So maybe that'll give a general vibe.
Yeah. I just want to see some clean movement. Like, that's all I'm looking for. Just some clean action, nothing crazy. Couldn't resist that pump. 495. Hey, let's go, Niner. Good job, bro. Happy for you. You've been printing lately. I love to see it. You're like the G of the chat. 495, 1,000.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You're always calling something out each day.
That's my favorite with G. Like, you won't even hear from him through the whole chat. All of a sudden, he's like, 1420.
I gotta check on him. I actually gotta check on him.
Morning, fellas.
Hey! The man himself. He snuck on in here. Good morning, sir. And Mr. Moose. What's up, sir? Good morning, gentlemen. I wasn't sure if the Zoom wasn't working. I'm like, man, no one's in here today. What's going on? But the gang is back. The gang is back.
The gang is here. Like my son, like I said, he's doing the Bradley one, so he's like basically they have to sit there and play like Pomp and Circumstance like 28 times through. Dun dun. It's like a.
I just woke up from a nap.
From a nap?
Yeah. I woke up at 2 in the morning. Then I fell asleep at 3. Woke up at 5. But I'm like, oh man.
Okay, Alexa, make coffee.
Make coffee.
I already had, and you know what's crazy? I already had coffee. I'm still tired.
Alexa,
Well, you didn't sleep last night. That's why you're tired.
Alexa,
pre-workout. I was gonna say meth, but I'm being good today.
Not the meth. Oh man, look at this pump. This is crazy. This is crazy today. What a time to be alive.
1 hour, 1 minute retrace.
So from 8:05, we just pumped over 100 points. That's wild. We have news at 10, folks. We have news at 10. I haven't been able to doodle yet because we haven't had a little pullback. We haven't built any flags. This is just momentum right now.
Well, if you look at the Dow, it's like crazy. It's actually going bearish. It's interesting.
We're coming up on another Friday because
And this thing's still pumping. Wow. Well, we had the close from yesterday, 29,076. 29,076 there. Just not sure. Just not sure how I'm feeling. Because with this little pump up, maybe we clearly did the gap fill to that close. I just wasn't expecting it within 7 minutes of the market being open, to be honest.
Well, Duane would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag. I would not like a flag a day. I would love to see a flag. A++ setups only. Just trying to finish this protein shake. All right, let's see if we start building us a bull flag up here, which I would not be mad about.
Too many retraces.
The markets are listening. Hopefully, they do what you need.
Yeah. Oh man, this is already up to here. Jesus.
Not the Jesus.
Jesus.
Jesus. And then you hear the Mexican in the back. Me llamaron? You called?
Me llamaron? You called?
Hey, Jose, what's up, bro?
Morning.
Movie, right? I think it's called. It's an old movie. It's called Born in East LA. And you see, there's a guy that has, there's a little bit of a mental capacity issue, right? And he hears a thing from Jesus, like a picture of Jesus saying he wants a beer. He's like, "Jesús quiere una cerveza."
NQ. This is the NQ.
You silly boy.
DH, how much did you make? You just need to do something consistently each day, bro.
How much? Pretty much is like you traded to like for the day early, but like I don't know why they do that.
Let me mute Mr. G. I'm just waiting for this bull flag. This is looking like it's trying to do a little bull flag here, possibly. Building some structure.
Look at that.
Maybe it's the big R, the retracement for Mooser.
Yeah. Let's see how this goes.
Well, Niner, I'm glad. Jesus, I'm glad the flags completed you, bro. I'm glad they help you.
You complete me, Duane.
Hey, whatever works. Whatever works.
Hey, man, not that. Retracement to the VWAP.
Well, we're coming. There's the VWAP tab. There's the VWAP tab. Let's see how the market reacts here. Ooh, Nellies. We got the 21 EMA below us as well. 28,919.25, 919.25. Looks like that market's hunting for it.
NQ is doing its own thing, man. The ES and the Dow are kind of doing something different.
Yeah. That's a Renko chart. That shows the momentum. Oh man, I just want to make a couple dollars a day. Nothing crazy. Just freaking base hitting. And then I want to switch over to some Lucid accounts after these Tradeify accounts. Because I'm trying to get fully funded with them as well. All right, so with that drop down there, I'd probably say we may continue down. Build us a little bear flag. Oh. Clicking too fast. Clicking too fast. We got that 21 EMA right below us. So I'm like, do I want to try shorting right above that 21 EMA? I feel like we're going to go down there and tag it. But it's not 9:45 yet either, so I'm not clear to trade yet. So I got to watch this happen without me.
The truth hitter, like, enters the chat.
Breaking below my yellow line there. There's the 21 EMA tab. Let's see how we react here. If we get below that 21, I'll be looking for shorts. If we get above that VWAP, looking for longs. So those are my two lines in the sand that I'm waiting to see which direction we go. Until then, we're chilling. We're vibing. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in these markets.
When are you actually going to the beach again, Duane? It's been so long. Do you even remember what that is?
I was at the beach 2 weekends ago.
Well, that's good, I guess.
And then, yeah. So, no, 3 weekends ago, we were at the beach. Then Mother's Day weekend, we were out there. Then, what was last weekend? Where did we go last? We went somewhere, I forget. Rincos are dancing right now. Those bad boys are dancing. So we waiting. Waiting for it to find its rhythm. Breaking back below that 20, not the 21, below my yellow line. I don't know why I said 21 there. Here comes that 21 EMA once again. There we go, tapping it once again. All right, we just lost it. Yeah, I got less than 2 minutes. I'm officially cleared to trade.
Now, I know you're looking at that whole number. I'm not going to tell you about it, but you see it.
I do see it now that you called it out. I was not paying attention to that. But since you called it out so cleanly, now I see it. Maybe we build a little bear flag on the 5-minute as well. That'd be pretty good. We have 4 minutes left on that candle, so I got 30 seconds. I'm clear to trade. 30 more seconds. I'm officially clear to trade. Let me give you the high of this 15-minute range because we're not going shooting back up there right now. 29,068. 29,068 is the high for today's 15-minute range. The low of this range is getting ready to be completed in 10 seconds. But it is looking like it will stand 850.50. 850.50. Couldn't make it that up if I tried. I want to get away from this EMA. Just waiting for a flag. Patiently waiting at this point. Not just trying to jump in and jump in. Because we saw good momentum going up. We saw momentum come down. So now we got to wait for our flags and the momentum. Let's see if we build us a little bear flag. And this thing's coming right back down. Look at that. It pumped, came right back down with 0 flags. That's what's the most aggiest part about this. Like, we went up and down with no flags. Back above my yellow line on the 5-minute there. Are we going to go up there and tap that VWAP? I got tagged in after. $80 on that. I got tagged in, not where I want to get tagged in at. I have to take another trade because on the copy trader, it put two of my accounts $50 negative. So we'll wait for another move here. And we're sitting right in the middle of this 15-minute range as well. So just holding and waiting, holding and waiting. Woo. Okay. Yeah, I'm not liking this price action right now.
Going a little crazy.
Look at that selling pressure. Look at that. Ooh, look at that wick. All right, 270 right there. Let me make sure I copy trade properly. What is going on? I'm so confused. It's not copy trading. Okay, well, I'll rotate off this one, but I gotta switch over to the other ones because it's not copy trade. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I don't like that. This happened yesterday too. The copy trade wasn't copy trading properly. And we
that can be like expensive.
Oh, 100%. That's why I just rotated off of the other. Wait, what? Wait. I'm like, hold on. There we go. I'll clean up these. This is copy trading on 3 accounts right here. So I'm going to do another trade here in a few minutes when I see something I like. Get these accounts green as well. As long as it works properly. There's the 21 EMA tap right there. We're stuck in between the VWAP and this 21 EMA. Be careful. Tapping that VWAP. When the markets are being very quick, how it is slightly today like this, that's when the copy traders, sometimes it's not as good because there's a little bit of slippage. That's where I like Tradeify's, because Tradeify's built-in copy trader is pretty accurate, where there's less slippage. But I like the Replicanto because I can have multiple firms pulled up and copy trade all of them together, or I could put groups together. Yeah, I'm not looking for a buy until we get above 29,850. Because we got a lot of stuff in this area right here at the middle of the 15-minute range. Below us, we got the 21 EMA. Above us, we got that 29,008.50 level. So
yeah, and then what news we have today? Is it anything important, or is it just somebody's gonna walk their dog?
We have pending home index and pending sales change at 10. So the market may just kind of chop until the news. Yes. We're going to get something coming up. Have a good one, DH. Because we're consolidating right now. So a move is going to happen. A move is coming. We're literally sitting right here at the middle of the 15. And we're dancing right on it too. Back above the VWAP. Coming up to that 29,000, that big whole number. Get ready to tap it. There we go. I want to clear 29,000. All right, we cleared it. All right, quick rip right there, 680. I will gladly take that. Let's see if this copy traded properly. Finally. Finally. It actually copy traded properly. Thank God.
How much you made on that trade, Duane?
This one, the leader account got 650, well, 680.
Okay.
Then the other two accounts got 476. So, yeah, so slight slippage there, slight slippage. That's how quick the market's moving today. I'm not.
At least it didn't slip into the red. That would be terrifying. Like, I made like that one. You just made 80, but the other one was like, we're taking the rest back.
No, and that's the whole thing, right? Because that's the one thing that has me nervous sometimes, because sometimes it may not copy trade properly. And on the first trade, I hit for $80 on the leader account,
Yeah.
but the other ones, they got negative like $40, $30. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the only thing about copy trading the way I do, and how I'm fast with it. If I was slow and I'll be like in for a couple minutes and then close, it wouldn't be as much slippage. But since I'm in and out sometimes pretty aggressively, the slippage comes with the territory, I would say. Back below the middle of the 15-minute range. What's up, bro? Hey, that's definitely a positive, bro. Don't let people say you're too nice. You know what I'm saying? That's a good problem to have, being nice. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just consolidating right here in the middle of the 15-minute range right now. Up over $1,000 on the day. I'm sitting back.
We got 2.5 minutes until that news.
Thank you, Steve. We got news at 10 o'clock. So at this point, I'm like he just said, I'm gonna sit back and relax. No reason to jump in right now. What's your first trade, a short or a long? Honestly, that's a really good question, bro. Let me take a look. So the first one was a buy, looking like. Have a good day, boys. Just under $1,000 today. Let's freaking go, bro. Have a good night. Well, have a good day. I'll see you later on the hangout. We gotta get away from this. We're ping ponging between the 21 and the VWAP. I want to see a clear move, and it's probably coming at 10. Yeah, I'm not taking any trades till after 10 now, so let me pull up my Tradeify so I can see if it's gone in the account yet. There we go. That's not bad. On one of my funded accounts, I've traded past 2 days, $1,000 between each day total for the 2 days, $1,000 profit. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, because I have another account that I've traded for 5 days. 5 days that only has 1387 in it profit.
I say don't feel any way about it. Just be grateful. Green is green, right?
It is, sir. It is. Green is definitely green. You ain't lying. You ain't lying.
He ain't lying. You love your green.
Oh, we all love our green. There's 10 o'clock. Are we going to start rolling here? I don't like the price action close to this middle of the 15-minute range. Before I do anything stupid, let me log into my Lucid dashboard. See what I got going on in there. All right. I'm not liking these wicks. Like, I'm sorry, boys. I'm being picky today. Your boy's being picky today. I'm not just clicking the button because we're live. No, that's easy to do. Anybody can just click the button. It's hard to wait for that A++ setup. Right here on the 5-minute, literally just consolidating. The 2-minute consolidating. Earlier this morning from 5:30 on until the pump at market open, we were consolidating. From consolidation, the move happens, gentlemen. The whole question is, are we going to be here when the move actually does happen?
Sell or buy? Wait.
Well, I took a sell, but it turned on me. So I'll get ready to kill this. What in the world? You see, I'm not liking that price action. Jesus. Well, 330 on 3 accounts, but that was I don't like the price action right now.
Smart guy.
Like, I'm not liking that.
I know you like those price
No.
It was a good mishap.
No, that could have been a badness though. It could have been a badness.
Imagine if you waited now.
I don't even care, G. I don't even care, bro. Listen. The way that price was moving, no, thank you. What I will wait for at this point, I will wait for us to break out the low of this 15-minute range, retest the range, and then I'll take a trade. Because that price action, it's it's not moving clean right now.
No. Look at those wicks, man. Those wicks are crazy. So, I'm good right now.
How's the chat doing? Are we winning? Are we losing? Are we flat? Let me know if you're winning. Throw that W in the chat. You're in green today. Throw an L if you're losing so far, and put an F in the chat if you're flat.
Oh, you're up and up.
Slow and steady, Rob. Slow and steady, brother. Markets are choppy a little bit today. That's easy to see on the Renko bars with how they're moving. Okay. Noah's flat. Hey, more power to you, bro. I know it's hard to stay flat sometimes. I find myself fighting that, where I know I should stay flat, but I take a trade. Don't be like me. You see how it's chopping right now? Oh my God. My trainer is not going to be happy with me today. We have legs today, and I'm going to tell him, like, bro, I am not running. My knee. No, yes, it was weird. Had a great workout yesterday, upper body. and I was doing core, you know, trying to get the 6-pack. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get the 6-pack. Doing some core stuff on the ground, and when I rolled to get up, like I don't know what I did, but maybe too much pressure on my knee. But I got up and it felt like something got tweaked.
You getting old, Unc. You getting old, man.
Hey, get on my stream, boy. Get up. I don't care if you're boy. You better not play with me, Jose. I am not getting old. Don't call me Unc. I got one more year till I'm officially Unc. You know what I'm saying? Like, slow it down. Here comes the low, the 15-minute range. Let's see this breakout here. You're closer to 40 than 30, buddy. Hey, actually, I'm in between right now, sir. I'm in between, bro. Come on, Rob. It be your own people. All right, we just broke out the 15-minute range. I want to see us retest the low of it now. We have this pivot point down here at 850. 850. No, you're closer to 40. No, listen, I'm in between. It's 50-50. There's the retest of the low of the 15-minute range. That's what I was looking for. Now we look for my trade. Just waiting to see what we get here. Waiting for the momentum here. Add a little bit extra to the accounts right there. Just a little bit extra. Nothing crazy. We're coming down to this pivot. What did I just click? Oh, okay. That scared me. All right, we got the pivot 850. 850. There we go. Tapping that. Woo. She rolling. Let's see if we stay below that pivot. Didn't stay below the pivot. Well, so these aren't matching. That's not good. So I have a pivot 850 on my trading view. And Ninja Trader has a different zone. So that's not good. Hey, Chevy, glad you enjoy it, bro. Appreciate you tuning in, fam. And we are less than, it's crazy to say, we're getting closer. We need 25 more subs for 3K, and we're giving away another trading desk. A Mac Daddy trading desk. Yeah, I'm excited for y'all. I have a target down here. I do have a target down at 741.25. 741.25. I would love to see us build a little flag to take us there, because we have not been really getting flag plays. We had this flag right here, but it wasn't a clean looking flag. We had all the crazy wicks, so that's why I didn't call that out. Hey, let's go, Chevy. Good job, bro. Excited for you. Excited for you, bro. He just passed a challenge with one trade. We'll take that every day of the week.
Nice. Hey, I try to use that one Tradeify thing, you know, the whatever it is, and it won't even show up on Tradeify, let alone here. So it's saying I'm not advancing because I can't trade it.
Oh, I'm not advancing. I'm probably not going to mess with that because Your boy was trying to play around with it a little bit too much yesterday. I was green in it. And then, sure enough, took an extra trade. Lost my greenness. Let me get us some more music. Let's see here. We will go.
I just don't understand why I can't even get it on Tradeify.
Yeah, that's weird because you logged in with the credentials for it or no?
Yeah, it said there's your credentials, and it was like the ones from before. So
okay. I want to play that new Drake, but YouTube will mess with my monetization if I do.
Listen, I have ducks, and there's some drakes walking around outside my window. I could see them right now.
All right, we're pumping back up here. Let's see if we build a nice A++ flag. What's your favorite song? I honestly don't have a favorite song yet. I haven't listened to it enough. I am like, when I'm cruising, I'll listen to it. You know what I'm saying? But I can't say I have a favorite song yet. I like which one? I've listened to all 3 albums because I was up late one night working. I just had it playing in the background. But I have been on, which one's this? Yeah, honestly, I don't really have one yet. It's decent. I like the Iceman album. The other albums were okay. But I was listening to them while working. You know what I'm saying? So I wasn't really focused on the music. So I'll check them out.
Well, I just want you to listen to everything at the same time.
I'm trying. We got that buying wick right there. We've had a lot of wicks today. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that.
Yeah, like Tradeify doesn't like me, man.
It's annoying because they should like you. You know what I'm saying? You're a great guy.
Well, I mean, I'm sitting here and it's like, I just tried it again and it's like it goes to Tradeify, and it's just like there's nothing there. So it's just like, oh well.
I wonder if it's a Tradeify issue.
I don't know. I'm not gonna try to solve IT
yeah.
play their game.
So I need $300, 300 bone, less than 300 actually. I need like $280 or $276 actually, to get another Lucid Flex funded account. Let's see what we get here. Going down to my target. I should have been paying attention. Just smack that target. All right, just added some more there. We'll take that. I think I got it, but I'm gonna have to check. There we go. Bang. Cha-chow. We'll take that. Alrighty. So I'm going to rotate off that account. Wait. Was that the right one? How did one of the copy trading ones make... I don't get it, but okay. So 30. Yeah, that's 30. So I need, okay. So I will turn off 32. Let's see if we get another flaggy flag. Let's see if we get us another flaggy flag, boys. I'm dialed for this one. I need to make 200. I got one funded account. I just added another funded account from Lucid. If I do $200 in this one, that will add another funded. Upgrade to funded. Don't mind if we freaking do. Yeah, I'll trade that funded tomorrow. Not going to touch it today. Hey, let's go, Niner. Niner's over here just freaking printing. I love to see it. Thank God I closed that trade. I don't like that little push up on those Rinkos. I have a second target. I have a second target all the way down there at 632.50. 632.50 there. Are we going to stair step down? I need to see a nice bear flag right now. Let's see what this account's on. Okay, I need 150, less than 150 bucks on this account. We'll get that. Ah, that's trash. Tapping that first target right there. Let's bring my yellow line down. We got 45 seconds left on this candle. I'm looking for a bear flag with momentum.
Just watch out for that whole number if it drops a little bit more.
Oh, thank you for calling that out, Steve. I was not even... Steve, you're my ace, bro. You be keeping me dialed. Because I was not looking at that whole number, not gonna lie. I'm watching these Rinkos dance.
Yeah, well, it's like driving in a snowstorm. You start getting like hypnotized by it, and it just like so. It's why.
And it sneaks up on you after.
Yeah, and then it's always the thing that gets me is I'm always in a trade, and then it's like acting funny, and then I'll like look.
And a whole number. All right, so we drop below that whole number there.
Oh, we just cleared the hell out.
But pop right back up to it. Alrighty. I hate these wicks today. All right, I think I got it right there. Let me see. Let's see if I got it. Oh, that's trash. I need $50. Less than $50. Well, before and then it keeps going. That's craziness. This thing's dancing way too much for my liking right now. That's crazy. Pulled right back up on me. I need $50. Now I need way more. Oh, God, help me. How did that copy trade is still not working right? Whatever. Yeah, the market's definitely chopping. Have a good night, bro. It happens, fam. It happens. I do Tradeify and Lucid. Those are my top two firms. That's trash. You call out your shorts? Right now, I just took a long, trying to snipe something. Put a little bit back, but we're going to see what we get here. We get above 734. Well, 734. It should start trying to pump. Tap that first target right there. Yeah, I don't like using Apex because they get you with the activation fee. That's the one thing I don't like about Apex. Clean that up a little bit more. And they do take forever for the payout. I don't get how that's not... I may have to do these individually because it's not copy trading correctly. Yeah, I'm not liking these wicks still. Well, sorry to hear that, bro. At least you made something. Coming down to my yellow line there. Let's see if we get some follow through on it. Still got that buying pressure. Let's see if that copy traded properly. I'm checking because
You better check because listen, Replicanto, Gonzalez.
bro, that is so annoying. So on this account, that makes 0 cents. How?
What happened? You're not saying.
No, it's saying that I just took a loss. Oh, okay. Not on the leader account. So on the account, yeah, let me turn the copy trader off. Because it's saying that I just took a loss in the account that was being copied.
But it gave everything else a win. That's awesome. I would do that any day of the week.
That's just
Oh, you didn't
stupid.
take a bad trade. I'm throwing you 10 good ones.
Yeah, see, and when stuff like that happens, that's what makes me like hesitant to want a copy trade. Because how did I just make money in the leader account, but in the other account just lost $1,000? Make it make sense.
I can't. I won't.
I can't. I won't. What's that balance on now? Once I cleaned it up. Okay. This is looking like a textbook flag right here, as well with tons of structure on it, everything like that on the 2 minute. So let's see if it actually wants to play out for us. Are we going to clear out this buying pressure and this thing going to waterfall? That's what I'm waiting to see. Tonight, gentlemen, we got the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be talking trading. We're talking life and everything in between. Hopefully you come out and hang out with us. It's always a good old time. And who knows, you may learn something. Still got this buying pressure down here. Yeah, right now it's just be careful. Be careful. I'm cleaning up this account, but I'm annoyed my copy trader messed up on me. I may have to probably shut down Ninja and restart it tomorrow because I haven't done that in quite a while. Come on, Bulls. I'm trying to get filled. Hey, from your lips to God's ears, bro. We need to see something aggressive, I would say. Right here at that first target we had from the 15-minute range. Bulls have been having issues keeping that price above it. So that's 741.50. 741.50 was that first target from the 15. I don't know how I just scratched, but okay. I may need to stop trading. I'm just starting to aggravate myself. Whew. Yeah, this price action today has been trash. I made money. I did make money today. Got another funded account today as well. But I wish it was a little bit cleaner for all of us. We get through the 21 EMA. 21 EMA sitting at 77250. Well, actually a little bit lower than that. So 77250 or almost even now. We get through there, then we'll most likely pump up to the pivot point. My pivots are not matching on the Ninja Trader and Trading View. It's out of sync today. Oh, is that me? Let me see something. Is this going to be the flush? Buyer stepped in once again. The bears have been trying to get this price to come down, but these buyers do not want to give up yet. Have a good workout, Rob. G Carmona, Dr. T, how you guys feeling? We going up, we going down, Moose as well. What y'all feeling? Woosah, Dwayne. Woosah. All right, no one answered. Well, I guess they ain't thinking nothing today.
I speak.
I speak.
I don't know all these like sub thing, man. I'm still trying to get the Lake Bradley MC out of my head. And it's been years. And but I told my son that, so I knew he's like laughing. Jose Martinez Gonzalo the third.
Yo, those graduations were funny. And some people got some crazy names. That's what you realize. Like you.
But, not to go post race or anything, but like no honkies had a middle name, all right? So. And you know, in the spirit of equality, they should have like every white guy should have like a redneck to it. So it's like Edgardo Montoya Gonzalez, and then there's like El Rob Bob,
El Rob Bob,
D-Rock, and like you know, then you got the other guy. This is Little Flavor Flav over here. You know,
Little Flavor Flav. What's up, Mitch? How you doing, brother? Been a little bit. Hopefully you're staying well and the family's good. Yeah, this price action today has not been that great. Okay, nice, bro.
Well, where's your next trade? I need to make $10.
I need, for real, that's how it's been feeling today, right? How I'm down $5. That's crazy. I'm good, bro. I'm good, man. Living the dream. Trading with y'all, so I'm always happy about that. How's Minnesota treating you, bro?
How is the weather in Minnesota after that?
It's cold. Oof. Still? It's like going in the summer, bro.
Wow.
We got some buying pressure. We're below that first, now back above the first target. All right, did I just clean this up? I thought I got more on that, but $17 red right now on this account. In the 50s and 40s, bro, that is wild.
So you're saying like
He can hear you.
Well, yeah, okay, well, it's your show, man.
You can ask. Like, it's okay.
Okay, like, what's that voice? So, like, in the heat of the day, is it 50 degrees, like at 1 o'clock in the sun?
He's asking, is it 50 degrees in the sun at 1 o'clock?
Yeah, I'd be crying. MES.
Well, that was I hit a double tap on that one. There we go. I'm not trading this account anymore. I just brought it back to red, to green. I'm up $6 in this account. I'm done.
That's the best $6 you ever made.
But this is looking like this is going to be the big break finally.
I'm just not liking the.
I'm not liking the wicks today.
Yeah.
Looking at that 5 minute as well. Yeah, I'm not liking these wicks. Not as cloudy and windy. Okay. Are you back out there for good, or you went back out there to see everybody that's out there? Yeah, here comes some buying pressure. Got you, bro. Okay. Yeah, bro. Definitely stay in contact, fam. Your family. Yeah, I want to take another trade on this account, but I'm like, you know what? Let me not push it. I'm $6 in the green. So I'm gonna just keep that. Mind you, I took a trade, put me down $1,500. I cleaned it up. Yeah, we all miss you, bro. But it's okay. We understand life be life and sometimes. I'll show you guys what we did today. There you go. That's on the horizontal. And I'll put it on the vertical as well. So my copy trade messed up on me. Don't ask me how, but I think we probably blew that account as well. So sucks, but price you pay when you're copy trading. When we put the image up for the vertical stream. So that's what we did today. The one red account that happened because of copy trading. The copy traders was messing up today, but that's what we did on all the other accounts. So We'll take it. Like seeing a red account doesn't aggravate me when I know why it's actually red. If it was just red because I was just like being crazy with it today, then I would be mad at myself. But that happened because of copy trade. The copy trader messed up. That makes me think, do I need to find a different copy trader? So we've literally been down here just straight consolidating for a while now. We got 11 o'clock approaching. 8 more minutes for that. Anything is possible, right? Anything is possible. I'm not liking today's price action was not that great. We've had wicks on both sides of the candles, and we're going to stand up as well. Ugh. Yeah, my knee, man. Yeah, I must have twisted or something when I was getting up off the ground in the gym yesterday because it's been hurting ever since. The joys. Well, we officially have 8 more days after today. 8 more days of trade this month. And you can accomplish, if you're trying to get funded, if you're trying to get a payout, you can do it. You have 8 days to do so. So don't put the pressure on you. Get it done today. Take your time and you actually get there. Oh, what a day. What a day. Moose, how did you do today, bro? If you're still in here, your name's there, but. So not a bad day. Put money in funded accounts. Got a new funded account today as well. I'll trade that one tomorrow. That was with Lucid. I should add, hopefully by tomorrow, another funded account with Lucid also. I'm mad about that one account that got messed up with the copy trader. But
Yeah.
it is what it is. We're breaking above that 21 EMA there. We got 4 minutes for 11. 4 minutes for 11 as well. Yeah, we're going back for that pivot. There we go on the Ninja. Getting ready to tap it. There's that one. Now going for the trading view pivot as well. Saw that bull flag. I was tempted to take it, but I'm like, you know what? At this point, we're green. I'm not trying to give anything back since I already took back some that I lost today in this account. Like, we'll come back tomorrow and execute again. But since that one bull flag printed, I'll be looking for another bull flag to print for confirmation that the market does want to start going back up. Hopefully everyone had a good day today in these choppy markets. I know the price action was...
What about you?
Huh?
What about you?
What about me? I did okay. I put over $1,000 in my funded accounts. We're chilling.
Awesome.
I'm ready to work out and ready for my post-workout meal. Because I didn't eat dinner last night. And I didn't have my actual breakfast today. I did a protein shake. So your boy is ready for some carbs. That's all I know. For all the new people in here, don't forget to hit that like button, that sub button. Because when we hit 3K subs, I'm giving away the same desk I have right here to one of you guys for free. That's my appreciation to you guys. So we're doing a desk giveaway at 3K. And I'll be jumping in the pool, of course. And on top of that, hit that like button as well. So YouTube knows that they need to keep pushing these streams to people just like yourself. Quality traders that are trying to win the markets each and every day. It's officially 11, sitting at this pivot point. I'm going to be jumping out of here. I will see you guys tonight on the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Stay safe in these markets, gentlemen and ladies. I'll catch you guys later. Market makers, nothing but love like always. Appreciate you guys vibing with me and trading with me this morning. I'll see you guys in the community. Be blessed, everybody.
All right, later.
Deuces. All right, Tube. Tonight, be there or be squared.